All right, everyone, I am excited to announce that this course now has a brand new feature that is going to help you become fluent in English faster and more easily than ever before. Let me ask you, why do you think speaking English is so difficult? Well, there's just no way to really practice it daily, right? Maybe wherever you're located, there's not a lot of access to native English speakers or advanced English speakers. And the only way for you to find them is to pay a lot of money for private tutors. Most people get nervous, they make mistakes, and they feel bad. All of these things together make it very difficult to improve speaking. But that is no longer an issue in this course. With this course, we have now fully integrated advanced AI features. And one of those features is the ability to have live conversation partners. These AI English partners don't just listen to you speak and talk back, they are AI coaches. I have specially designed each and every one to help you with a certain part of your English life. In this course, you will now find an AI grammar coach. This AI grammar coach is spread throughout the grammar section, and each version is going to help you practice certain grammar topics. There's also an AI business English coach now. This business English coach will help you with job interviews, negotiating, presentations, or any daily task that you do, whether you're a software engineer, a doctor, or you work in a market. Then we have the AI Daily Life Coach. This daily life coach is there to help you practice any situation or theme that you will encounter in your daily life, going to the gym, seeing a doctor, or even traveling. Then we have the AI English exam coach. This AI English exam coach has been specially made to help you get the highest scores possible in all of the major English exams, whether it be IELTS, TOEIC, TOEFL, or any other internationally known English exam. And I really just want to emphasize how great these AI coaches are. It's really just this new technology will help you learn English so much faster. They listen and respond to you just like real people. They speak fluent and natural English, all right? It doesn't sound artificial. Also, it's unlimited. You can use it as long as you want, as many times as you want. Imagine that. Imagine your own personal conversation partner that you have access to at all times. And something I discovered that I think is very helpful when using these is if you don't know how to respond or if you don't know what to say to keep the conversation going, you can use your own native language and the AI will understand you. All right? It will respond in English, but it can understand your own native language. And I have tested this. I speak Spanish and Korean. So when I was testing out these features, I tried. I said something in Spanish to it about not understanding, help me please. And it answered me. It understood what I was saying. And then I tried it in Korean. I said something in Korean to it. It understood me and it gave the answer back in English. Let's move on to see how you start a role play. So first, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can find them. And what you'll see here on the screen will probably look a little different than the sections and lesson outline that you have on your course view, but that's okay. What I want to show you is that these role plays are included in certain sections, okay? And again, here, these sections have numbers, but from the time I make this video to whenever you're viewing it, the course sections may have changed a little bit, so the numbers might differ, okay? But I will provide you with a PDF that is constantly updated and tells you which sections the role plays are currently in, so don't worry. What I want to show you is they'll be within a section, and then, like I said, whenever you see this here, role play, that is an AI English coach, okay? And here I'm showing you 3 of the 4 general AI English coach specialties. Here is the daily life conversation coach. your business English coaches. We have job interview coach, presentation coach, negotiation coach, and daily workplace coach. Okay, and then here is your English exam coach for TOEIC, IELTS, TOEFL, or any other major English exam. And the other specialty coach that I'm not showing here is the AI grammar coach. That's because there are quite a few AI English grammar coaches spread throughout the grammar section, so I don't have enough space here. But they are also one of the AI coaches that you get with this course. All right, so now what you'll do is, obviously, if you want to start one, you'll click the lesson and you'll be brought to a screen like this. All right, it might change every now and then, but more or less it has the same features. So what you'll see is you'll have a button here to start the role play. If you don't want to do role plays as you're going through the course, you can just click skip role play. It's fine. It's not like a lesson you have to complete. It's just an extra feature that you can use when you want. What you'll also see here is a scenario. You can expand this to read the full view, and it's just going to tell you what this role play is for. And that's important because this role play has been specially designed for that scenario. Then below that, you'll have your AI partner, okay, or your AI coach. They'll have a name, a picture, and a little bit about them. Over here on the right, you have goals. There will be 5 goals, and these are specially designed by me to challenge you and to help you have a better conversation with your AI coach. So before you start, take some time to read through these and, try your best to hit each goal or to achieve each goal. And this is what you'll see once you start your role play or your conversation with your AI English coach. Everything they say is written out in transcript or in subtitles. So it will help you understand what they're trying to say, even if you can't understand through listening. When you want to speak, you can press the mic, okay, and speak into it. On the left here, you can see the chat between you and the AI coach. Here on the right, you have guide. Clicking the guide will open the goals back up so you can review them during the conversation. All right. And these conversations are step-based. So what that means is the AI coach will say something to you, and then it will wait until you say something back. You don't have to worry about saying something quickly. You can take your time and think about what you want to say. Most of the time, I set it at 5 minutes. For the business AI coaches, I add a little bit more time because those are generally more complex. But the time limit is, at this point, just a suggestion. You can keep the AI role play going as long as you need. And when you're done, you're just going to click End Role Play, and then you'll be brought to the evaluation screen. All right? The evaluation screen is going to evaluate you on the goals that we set for this conversation. So you'll see here, in this instance, I completed goal 2 and goal 3, okay? But goal 1 and goal 4, I didn't quite hit. And you'll click Show Details, and it will tell you maybe why you didn't achieve that goal, okay? Or why you did achieve that goal. And then you have 2 choices. You can either continue on in the course, or you can replay and retry the role play. And what's great about this is every time you retry or you replay the role play, it's going to be different because it's dynamic. There's no script. It's just based on the flow between you and your AI coach. So you can take the conversation any way you want to go. I want to show you this one last thing, the role play PDF. All right, so I have created this role play PDF for 2 reasons. One is it will constantly be updated to show you where in the course you can find all the role plays. So it's going to be a quick reference for you to look at to know where the role plays are throughout the course. And then also I've provided a series of sentences and questions that will help you during each type of conversation you have with your AI coaches. So let's take a look at that now. All right, so here is the PDF that you'll be able to download. All right, this PDF is available in this lesson. So in this lesson, go to the resources and you'll find this PDF. I will update it constantly if there are any changes, and I will let you know if there are any changes. So just assume once you download it, you can refer to this one until I let you know about some change. So it starts, as you can see, just an introduction to the AI coaches. Next is sort of a table of contents about where each type of coach can be found in the course. And something I want to make clear is this doesn't link directly to the course. This is just a reference. You have to go to the course and navigate to these sections to find the AI coach. We have many different AI grammar coaches, each one specialized on a certain topic or group of topics. Then we have the AI daily life coach. Here's the section you'll find it in. Okay, this coach is for your daily life or events. Then we have the business English coaches. Okay, we see here we have 4 special different coaches for interviewing, presentations, negotiations, or your daily workday. And then we have the English exam coach. All right. So this is just showing you where to find it in the course. After that, you'll see now we have some questions or sentences that you can use in different situations you might find yourself during the role play. So first here we have just some general support phrases. If you need to ask for help or you want to try something again, right? Here you can say, can I try that again? I want to say it a different way. So these are here to help you during the conversation. You can take a look at these, and if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. So go ahead, have fun, try out these English coaches, and let me know how it's going for you. I'm excited to see the improvements that you can make with this new technology. I'll see you in the next lesson.